Here we have a 71 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. We also have the polar white metallic paintwork. Round to the passenger side you'll find the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We then have the brush metal trim around the windows, with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the glass sunroof that's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. Now we do also have 360-degree cameras with parking sensors and a visual display inside. Power operated tailgate at the back along with the rear diffuser. And then making our way round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior. Inside of the back first you'll find we have the half leather seats. Apologies about the sunlight. You find the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Vents with the climate control down there in the centre. On the doors you've got the Burmester speakers along with the wooden effect trim and the electric windows. Take a look at the front, and there's a look at the roof from the inside. Both these front seats again leather and also both heated and electrically adjustable with the memory functions all controlled here on the doors. We then have again the Burmester sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. Just make sure the volume is turned down. We've got the phone connectivity there on the right. We also have paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel. Cruise control speedometer on the right. As you can see just here we have the digital dashboard free from any warning lights. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty of features on here that you would have seen on the photos. Shortcut buttons are down here, so you can click onto the radio and also the media options just like so. We have the phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Then onto the main menu we've got all these other features which you can scroll through. We have ambient lighting. If you go onto the apps you'll also find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Again, we've got the wooden effect trim down here. We have the dual zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning. Inside of here you find the cup holders along with the wireless phone charging, touchpad for the screen along with the switch for the different drive modes, which you can quickly go through each one. Putting the car into reverse you'll also find the reverse camera with the 360 view on the right, but we can go through each individual camera, and as you can see they all work just as you would expect them to. Putting it back into park, and that is all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.